welcome to another segment of Cooking Ideas with Ina. Today I'm going to be doing the dinner breakfast burger. You've probably seen this burger or have had this burger before because it has some breakfast items incorporated in it. But today I'm going to show you how to make Ina's version of that burger. That's going to be really scrumptious. And of course I'll taste it so you guys can experience what it tastes like. I hope you try it on your own. Please like this video and share with your friends. So let's get started. So the dinner breakfast burger. I'm just only making one burger. I really don't like to eat leftovers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the burger in the bowl. You can do this, you don't have to use ground beef. I rarely eat ground beef, but sometimes I just want that flavor. So you can use ground beef, or you could use ground turkey, or you could use ground chicken, whatever your preference is. So here we go. I have some ingredients over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start by adding a little salt to the burger. A little pepper, a little paprika, and again I have the ingredients posted so in case you want to make this on your own. This is mushroom, but this recipe is going to be scrumptious. So this is like a 1/4 cup of mushrooms. I'm going to throw those in, and then have a 1/4 cup of green pepper. And throw those in. And I'm going to actually put some green onion in it. You can either do the regular yellow onion or green onion. Green onion gives it that extra flavor. So green onion in there. Let me find something to mix this with really quick. Okay. Before we get started, go ahead and get the pan heated. On the back end, we're going to do one ingredient that we will use one part for this and the other part for finishing off the burger. So let's go ahead and add the other ingredients. I want to do an egg, but with this egg, we're going to only put the yolk into the meat. So what I'm going to do is have the egg whites to only go into this little measuring cup, and we'll use the yolk for the, there we go, for the burger, and then we'll use the egg white for the breakfast portion of it. So let me get rid of this. And so I have a pan back here going, and we'll go ahead and put the egg white into that pan and have it cooking. So we'll have it ready by the time we get ready to put the burger together. I'm gonna add a little pepper to that. And just a pinch of salt. You don't have to do the salt, but it's up to you. I use sea salt, so I use very little. Okay, all right, and so we have the yolk here in the meat. I'm going to go ahead and stir it up. Oh, that looks good. You may not have this in your fridge or in your cabinet, but it's the Capital MAMBO sauce. So just a squeeze of lemon, and then next we'll put, we're gonna use a tablespoon, but I'm just gonna eye it out, okay? So about a tablespoon of the MAMBO sauce. Isn't that pretty? Yes. So the pan is oiled. You go ahead and add it to the pan. I'm going to clean this up. And then we'll turn that. We'll check on the egg. Don't want that to stick. I'm just going to let that cook. Can you see that? Oh my. Can you see that? My. It actually smells like it's on the grill. Okay, so while we're waiting on those items, I'm going to go ahead and get my brioche bun ready. And then I have a slice of Munster cheese. Oh my, look at that. That's like a grilled burger. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the burger. So the pan actually gives it that char grill texture. And the moisture is there. So we're going to go ahead and toast the bun. Burger. I'm going to just try a little piece because I like it well done. I want to make sure it's well done on the inside. It has that grilled texture. See that? I'm just going to try that. Oh my goodness. The mushrooms. All from Cooking Ideas with Ina. And it looks like it was cooked on a grill. You see that? And then we're going to go ahead and add the egg and Munster. And then we're going to move it to the side while we prepare the bun. Be right back. Now you don't have to do this, or you could do turkey. I have 2 slices of bacon. Wow. This is amazing. Look at that burger. Better than a restaurant burger. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the fries and we'll sample it. That. Absolutely beautiful. I want to get a picture. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let me try it. No, you can put ketchup on it. Oh, it's sliding around. You can put some barbecue sauce on it if you want. Look how big that burger is. Isn't that nice? I like it well done. You're doing a breakfast burger. And some checker fries. Isn't that pretty? Okay guys, you know what? I'm gonna let you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and enjoy this amazing meal with a glass of red wine. I hope you enjoyed. It's not just a regular burger. It's not just Ina cooking a regular burger in the kitchen. Adding the mushrooms and the onions and all those different things that you saw me add definitely makes it over the top, over restaurant quality style. A healthy eating at home. Thank you so much. Take care.